Hey guys, had a gentleman reach out to do a beta test. A guy from 3dworkshop.us. He had this on the Rzr site. It's to keep your seatbelt harness from sliding off. Looks like a pretty good design. It's out of 3D ABS plastic. Kind of has a carbon fiber look to the back side of it. So as you know, harnesses, they want to slide off of your shoulders while you're riding if you don't have it buckled. Good thing to have it buckled if you're doing any kind of crazy riding. But this is going to hold your shoulder strap up on your shoulders. So he sent these to me. I paid for shipping to give this a try. I told him I had a General. Excuse me. I said, but the seats are the same. So he wanted a couple pictures. I sent it to him. He goes, that's it. So not only will this help the guys with the Generals, but it will also help the guys with the Rzrs. We're going to get these installed, show you how easy it is to install them. Also go out, check his website out. He's got a bunch of other stuff for other machines. Legit, you know, it's not a company. He does this to keep funding his and his boys' toy money, which I thought is kind of cool. But again, you know, it's got a little slit in it that you'll slide your harness down in. So give me a second, let me get all set up. We're gonna get these mounted. We're gonna get it back into the General. And let's see how these are gonna hold up. So hold on. Okay. About ready to get these mounted on there. He also sends you the 4 screws that you need to mount this. So line them up where you want your harness holder to hit the back of your seat. You want it to make sure that this back edge is flat up against this ridge of the plastic around the outside of your seat. I didn't pre-drill them. See how easy these go in. Oh yeah, piece of cake. Don't want to crank them down too tight because they'll crack. I measured mine to where they were the same distance. Kind of OCD, but you get the point. Anything to make it a little bit more comfortable that your straps ain't keep falling down. Okay, so that was it. Took a whole 30 seconds. Oops, sorry about that. And as you can see, that's where your harness is going to ride at. You know, they seem pretty stout. So let me get this back in the Ranger or the General, and we'll show you how it looks once they're mounted and the shoulder strap is in place. And there you have it. Seats back in. So we normally have to ride like that if we're just putting around, and it's really uncomfortable in the middle of your back. So now, with these in place, they're not going to fall down and you're searching for them when you want to get them put on. But again, 3dworkshop.us. If I can get a good picture of that there for you. Again, 3dworkshop.us. I think he's got a nice little thing going on here. That's going to be a lot nicer, like I said, not having to lean back into that harness buckle. Now all I got to do, I guess I'm going to have to order to get them for the front, and I also got them going in on the back. Get all that installed, and I don't know how I'm going to do the back yet, if I'm going to do a quick connect or if I'm just going to run them over the bar in the back. But they're all mounted right now down below. Just got to get them, figure out how I want to mount them here. But the old General, she's starting to come together. Waiting on my 2-inch forward A-arms, ball joints, tires, rims. Then we'll get the amp, another set of speakers. We're gonna get the sub, and then got the DS18s going in. DS18 will go down below. Probably gonna do a different head unit, do a 5-channel DS18 amp. Probably a different steering wheel, but net. It's a fun little toy. So anyway, again, 3dworkshop.us. Give them a shout. I'm gonna like it. That's gonna make it a lot more nicer for riding, not leaning up against that buckle. So I hope that guy, hope that helps you guys. We'll have warm weather here shortly. Before you know it, we're gonna be out sweating our butts off, riding, boating, fishing, all that kind of good stuff. So till the next one, guys, take care. See ya.